Look at this guy. He's back again. Back for round 3. Look at this guy.
I bet you he'd smell.
Oh, he jumped right on those. Yeah.
I didn't do it on purpose. I just dropped.
Look at this guy. What are you doing? Get out of there. Get out of there. Look at this guy.
Pose for you. He's not scared of anything.
There he goes.
Yeah. I got a squirrel over here. Found him. Hi, buddy. What's up? Take him home.
Well, he finally scored.
Yeah, because I was a messy eater. He's like, yeah, I didn't have to crack the shell.
He's been back here 3 times while I've been sitting here. And he finally got something.
He bites you.
Twirl it around, throw it in the canyon.
I think he was the little guy that was sitting over there by the laboratory things, drinking the water out of it that was on the ground.
That's possible.
Come on, come back. I don't bite you.
Gotta watch out for these guys though, because they do carry diseases. Remember what the park ranger said before? More people die from squirrel bites in here than cougars. So yeah, this guy, he's got the life here. He's got people looking out to dropping stuff for him all the time.
I know, I'm just like, still munching on their seeds.
He just creeps right in there and bam, you know.
He's still munching on their seeds.
Get a job.
He just pops up on these rocks. He's looking for his next victim now. Look at him. That's what he's doing. He's looking for his next victim again. Hey, get away from me, you. There ain't no nuts over here for you.
You got a squirrel right there.
All right, I think that's enough squirrel action for today.